The Tale of the Squirrel and the Nightingale. In the heart of a deep jungle, there stood a magnificent tree that was home to two very different creatures, a diligent squirrel and a carefree nightingale. The squirrel, always busy, worked tirelessly to collect food and store it in her cozy treehouse. She knew that the harsh winter would soon blanket the jungle in snow, making it impossible to find food. On the other hand, the nightingale spent most of his time singing melodious tunes and enjoying the freedom of flying around. He never put much effort into collecting or storing food for the winter. Despite the squirrel's repeated advice to prepare for the bad times ahead, the nightingale shrugged off her concerns, confident that things would always work out. "You must store food for the coming winter, or you'll suffer from hunger," the squirrel would warn. But the nightingale, with his carefree nature, never bothered to listen, happy that everyone admired his beautiful songs. As winter approached, the squirrel's treehouse was stocked with enough food to last through the cold months. Meanwhile, the nightingale continued to sing and fly, unprepared for the challenges ahead. When the first snowflakes began to fall, the squirrel retreated to her warm home, confident in her preparations. The nightingale, however, found himself struggling as the jungle transformed into a frozen wonderland. Despite his ability to bear the cold weather, the severity of the winter was beyond his capacity. Realizing his mistake, the nightingale sought help from his friend, the squirrel. Understanding the importance of community and kindness, the squirrel welcomed him into her home and shared her food. Through this experience, the nightingale learned the value of hard work and preparation. From that winter onward, he spent his time not only singing and flying, but also working alongside the squirrel to prepare for the future. Together, they found a balance between enjoying life and being ready for its challenges, strengthening their friendship and ensuring their survival through any season. Moral of the story: preparation and hard work are essential for facing future challenges.